So, you missed out on that last-minute reservation to get into the world-famous snorkeling spot, Hanauma Bay. What do you do now? Well, get in the car and let's go find the best spots to snorkel in Oahu, Hawaii. Kuilima is the area over here on the west side of Oahu Island, about 25 to 30 minutes from the airport. Maybe you've heard of Kuilima, but if you haven't, then maybe you've heard of Aulani by Disney. That's right, Kuilima is where Aulani Resort is. If you're not staying at any of the resorts and you want to snorkel, then head on over to Lagoon number 4, Ulua Lagoon. It is the least crowded and has 100 parking spots, so this would be your best bet. If you need equipment, the resorts have them for rental, but they can be quite pricey and you might be better off just buying your own set from a store. The lagoons are made up of 4 man-made coves that curve inwards, making it quite a unique sight. If you have young kids, then these lagoons are perfect as they are protected by rocks and are very shallow. The center and sandy shores of the lagoon may not have fish, so if you want to snorkel, you may want to head to the rocky areas. Wait! We're finally in Honolulu? If you've seen my other videos covering Hawaii, you probably noticed that I haven't covered anything about Honolulu. But we're here now! Waikiki Beach is a 30-minute drive, barring traffic conditions. Can you snorkel here in the busiest city in Hawaii? Absolutely. Waikiki is the name of the beach in Honolulu, where residents, tourists, resorts, visitors all go. You can come here to enjoy the vivid city scene, go swimming or surfing, but snorkeling? Yes, you can! You're probably thinking, but Ray, this is such a far cry from Hanauma Bay, why come here? Well, it's easy to get equipment in the city, and if your goal is to see fish, then you'll definitely find them. I recommend snorkeling in Waikiki because access is quite easy. But the next 2 places will not be as easy. Hey, while you're looking for snorkeling spots, why don't you look for that subscribe button and hit it? Thanks. A little over an hour away by car, following the H1, then the H2, and then Kamehameha Highway to the north shore, is where Kuilima Cove is located. Kuilima Cove is also known as Turtle Bay, with the Turtle Bay Resort right in the background. There's parking freely available, and the beach has equipment rental and chairs to relax on. The cove itself is sheltered from the ocean by the rocks, but make sure to check the signs as it could be a rough day at sea. Our day here was one of those rough days and the waves were a bit strong. It was a little hard to see anything when the sand was swirling so much. But if you're lucky, Kuilima Cove is great for turtle sightings. By far, the best snorkeling site we went to has to be Shark's Cove, also known as Pupukea Beach on the map. Like Turtle Bay, this is also an hour-long drive to the North Shore. The place doesn't look like your typical oceanic cove or beach like every other location. This place is very rocky, so if you're bringing kids or don't have proper shoes, it will be a bit painful to navigate. But once you're in the water, there's so much to look at. There's fish everywhere you look, and which is why this beach ranks #1 as the best place for snorkeling. And there you have it. These are the best places in Oahu to go snorkeling when your last-minute reservation in Hanauma Bay didn't pan out. What? You're asking whether Hanauma Bay is even that great? Well, it's okay.
Huh?
It's not like we totally tried to go at the last minute and didn't plan ahead and then every slot on our only day available was full. Anyways, Hawaii is amazing for snorkeling. So this is a great recommendation list.